to some people. Beyond that, I will not be able to share anything.
सर किस तरीके से सर अगले 3 दिन में उनको पेश होना है कि नाम जानना चाहिए कौन कौन
I cannot disclose names.
Sir, Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan.
Sorry ma'am, I can't disclose.
Have there been people summoned? Have there been people summoned? Has there been people summoned by the?
They haven't. I told you, as a part of the investigation, people have been summoned to join the investigation. That's it.
सर कितने दिन में उनको इन्वेस्टिगेशन?
In the next few days, on different dates we will call.
सर दीपिका पादुकोण को
No names, please. No.
सनम
क्या हम अरेस्ट कर रहे हैं सर?
टोटल कितने लोग हैं ये बता दीजिए.
There was a search at their place today, and their statement is being taken. And it's a continuing process.
सर एक बार हिंदी में पूरी डिटेल दीजिए.
सर आज भी 2 एक्टर्स को मिला सर कौन थे? क्या रहा आज?
सर हिंदी में.
जैसा अभी भाई साहब ने पूछा मुझसे कि अभिगेल पांडे और उनके हस्बैंड कोई मिस्टर खान है, उनके यहाँ सर्च हुई थी. दिस इज ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द इन्वेस्टिगेशन और अभी उनका स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया जा रहा है. And if required, we will call them again tomorrow.
सर आरोप है ये कंजम्पशन थी क्योंकि जिन पेडलर से पूछताछ के बाद उन्हें बुलाया गया था. आरोप क्या है सर उनके?
मैं आपको इन्वेस्टिगेशन से डिटेल शेयर नहीं कर सकता.
लेकिन ये लिस्टर्स
दीपिका श्रद्धा तमाम लोगों को समन किया गया था.
लिस्टर्स हैव बीन समन्ड सर. वन स्टेटमेंट इफ यू कुड कंफर्म
तमाम बड़े सितारों को सर समन.
मैं आपसे सुनिए, मैंने आपसे कहा, इंग्लिश में भी कहा, मैं दोबारा हिंदी में दोहरा रहा हूँ. कुछ लोगों को हमने एज पार्ट ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन समन इश्यू किए हैं. दे आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू ज्वाइन द इन्वेस्टिगेशन इन नेक्स्ट फ्यू डेज. दे हैव बीन कम्युनिकेशन हैज बीन उनको, सॉरी आई विल कम बैक टू हिंदी, उनको सूचित कर दिया गया. बियॉन्ड दैट
ये समन ईमेल से भेजे गए हैं या उन्हें?
ये हमारे अपने सिस्टम से गवर्नमेंट के लेट डाउन प्रोसीजर, उसको हम फॉलो करते हैं.
दो लोगों को आप लोगों ने बुलाया
It's a big breaking news which is coming in. We just heard from Ashok Jain. He's an NCB official. He was busy with the interrogations today of Jaya Saha, Mantena, as well as Dhruv Chitkopekar, which was happening inside the NCB. But the big breaking news we just heard is that the NCB is saying that they are going to send out the summons. Deepika, Shraddha, Sara, Karishma, Shruti, Simone, they've all been asked to present themselves to join in the investigation over the next 3 days. That's a big breaking news. Let me go across to Imran. Imran, it's going to be 3 very busy days. We have the topmost A-listers for the first time in the history of Bollywood who are now going to be under a collective umbrella of this drug nexus which is being probed now.
Well, absolutely, it's a big news that, that 8 top listers of the Bollywood industry, including Deepika Padukone, Sara Ali Khan, Shraddha Kapoor, and their managers will also be summoned, and they'll be questioned at the same guest house where many of the biggest of the talent management firm are being questioned. As of right now, it's more than 6 hours where Jaya Shah and the CEO of the company, Madhu Mantena, and the director are being questioned here. And this is the same guest house where all the A-listers of the Bollywood who've been summoned will be questioned here. And who would have thought that a day will come when these top heroines of the Bollywood industry will have to see the doors of the law and they will be questioned here. It is unimaginable for any common man. Never would have this incident would have happened. It be a scene to see the top A-listers, actors of the Bollywood coming here. They will undergo grilling by the NCB here, questioning their relationship with the managers of the talent firm and the conversations they had in the WhatsApp, asking them, demanding that drugs should be supplied to them for the party which happened at Coco restaurant. And they will be also questioned about the kind of drugs they had, who were they supplying them, from how long this was going on. All these questions will come under the ambit of the investigation of the NCB, and these top heroines of the Bollywood industry who never thought that they would have to face this day will have to come here in the same guest house here at the Evelyn guest house where the top management of the firm are being grilled for more than 6 hours now by the NCB, and this will probably go on for certain days now. NCB has said that by one they will be called here and they will be questioned mentioned here the links with the management firm, the managers from whom they were chatting, from where drugs they were demanding that that MDMA and weed and hashish, these are drugs which are banned, and why were they demanding it, for how long this was going on, where they were procuring it, for the amount they were procuring, and who all were there involved in it.
Over the next 3 days, the larger Bollywood nexus, which has allegedly been indulging in drug abuse, may just be rambling out.